picture this. You've saved all year for a Michigan summer on the lake. You roll up to your Lakeview suite, but the carpet squishes, the air smells like a wet suitcase, and your view is a parking lot ringed by dumpsters. You ask the front desk for a refund and hear, 72-hour cancellation policy. Here's the kicker. The hotel you booked? Closed for the season, but still taking reservations. The operators own the tourism website that sold you the room, and the budget motel they stuck you in instead. It took an undercover state investigator getting scammed before the Michigan Attorney General shut it down. I'm Kay Walton, founder of Smart Pineapple. I help small properties win without selling their souls to algorithms. And today we're talking about how the scrappy ones rebuild trust better than Marriott ever could. Intent doesn't matter to the guest. Your listing photo might just be shot in June sunlight at 7 a.m. But to the guest who shows up and it doesn't match, the betrayal feels the same. Different motives, same outcome, promise versus reality, and reality always wins. Take Boar's Head Resort in Charlottesville, Virginia. Black mold and a broken AC in August. Management stayed quiet until those reviews went public. Travel advisors started steering clients elsewhere. That's reactive trust management, and it costs just as much. So, what does it look like to get it right from day one? Meet Brian and Joanna Linton, who bought a crumbling motel in Greentown, Pennsylvania for $242,000. Half the doors warped shut. Bathrooms dated to 1973. $750,000 spent. Half the rooms gutted. Winter coming. They had two choices: cut losses or bet everything. They bet. Friends told them no one would pay $300 a night in the middle of nowhere. But they rebuilt from the studs, flipped the doors inward, and turned a dumpster yard into a courtyard. They shared progress photos, admitted mistakes, and invited guests into the story. And now they're booked solid most weekends through winter with tens of thousands of fans who cheer every update. Transparency turned guests into believers. Show your work. The Rex Hotel's booking page includes before and after photos and a 30-second clip of their story. Guests arrive already rooting for them. Fix fast. Communicate faster. When Wingate Hotel in Ohio discovered mold in 2025, management went silent. Inspectors shut half their rooms. Guests found out from the local news, not the hotel. Historic Smithton Inn in Pennsylvania did the opposite during COVID. Weekly emails, safety updates, even financial transparency. Guests prepaid future stays. Some donated directly to help them survive. Close the loop. The Shores Inn in Ventura, California ignored years of bed bug complaints until a jury awarded two guests $2 million. Screenshots of those ignored reviews became evidence. A simple public response. We're horrified. Here's our new pest protocol. Might have saved their business. Silence isn't neutral, it's guilt-shaped. A boutique hotel chain standardized service across its properties and saw repeat guest rates rise 12% in a year. If you run 100 rooms with a 50% repeat rate, that's 6 more loyal guests each cycle. 6 guests who don't need convincing, don't haggle, and tell their friends. That's not PR fluff. That's profit. Take out your phone, open your listing, read your first 3 amenities. Now, walk your property. Is the gourmet coffee a year-old Folgers tin? Is the spa-inspired bathroom still rocking a cracked plastic soap dispenser from 2019? If you wouldn't Instagram it, why is it in your listing? Because guests won't tell you it's off. They'll just leave a 3-star review that kills your algorithm for 6 months. Or worse, they'll duet your listing video with their reality check, and 40,000 strangers will roast you in the comments. And here's the hopeful part. You don't need a full renovation to start. Look at Hotel Crescent Court in Dallas. When they rebuilt their website, they led with accurate, plentiful photography that matched the on-property experience and made booking stupid simple. The result? Bookings up more than 46% year over year and conversion more than doubled. No gimmicks. Just photos that tell the truth and a booking flow that respects the guest. That's what honesty, shown clearly, can do. Mackinaw City showed what happens when deception meets daylight. The Rex showed how transparency creates loyalty. You're not selling beds, you're selling belief. And belief is built one honest detail at a time. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. Or hell, just save it for your next coffee break. Links for all the sources are in the show notes. I'm Kay Walton, and this was Scene Booked Sane. Stay human out there.